Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best resin kit for beginner molds, the IGaiety Resin Alphabet Mold Starter Kit, a comprehensive 169-piece set designed to unlock your creativity, even if you're just getting started with resin crafts. Let's begin by diving into what makes this kit stand out. Right out of the box, the IGaiety kit impresses with its packaging. Everything is organized and secure, and it immediately gives off the vibe of a complete, no-hassle experience. Whether you're a curious beginner or a hobbyist looking to make more personalized crafts, this kit has your back. The core of the set is the high-quality silicone alphabet mold. Made from premium silicone, it's sturdy yet flexible, and that's key. When you pour your resin and wait for it to set, the last thing you want is trouble demolding. This mold is engineered to make demolding clean and effortless, with backward letters and numbers that pop out beautifully. And you won't have to worry about tearing or sticking. What really takes this kit to the next level is the inclusion of colored resin pigments. Just a few drops go a long way, and they mix into the resin smoothly. That opens up creative possibilities. You're not just making letters, you're designing personalized keychains, jewelry pieces, name tags, charms, and more. The pigments let you explore bold solids, subtle swirls, or transparent tones with ease. Now, if you're new to resin crafting, the learning curve can be intimidating. That's why this kit includes a beginner-friendly instruction manual. It's not just a list of steps, it walks you through the whole process with clarity. From mixing ratios and pouring tips to curing and finishing advice, it's all in there. You can go from zero to custom keychain in a matter of hours. IGaiety also adds serious value with the accessories. This isn't just a mold and pigments, it's a full starter ecosystem. Think mixing cups, stir sticks, key rings, screw eyes, droppers, and even glitter. Each accessory complements the process, allowing you to streamline your work and focus on the fun. Everything you need to make professional-looking crafts is included, and there's no need for additional purchases to get started. Cleanup? That's another win. The molds are easy to clean, and because of the quality of the silicone, they hold up to repeated use. Whether you're practicing or producing gifts, the durability ensures this kit will last through dozens of projects. One standout feature is how beginner-friendly the reversed molds are. They're designed specifically to print your letters the right way around when cured. A thoughtful touch for people making designs to be read properly, especially in keychains or bag tags. As a whole, the IGaiety Resin Alphabet Mold Starter Kit is more than just a craft product. It's a gateway to exploring your creativity, bonding with others over DIY, or even launching a small craft business. The combination of quality, guidance, and included tools make it a truly complete beginner's package. If you're looking to start your resin art journey, this is a smart place to begin. You're not just buying a mold, you're investing in a toolkit that sets you up for success. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more hands-on product breakdowns, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.